Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Harmony Lives. Happy Saturday, everybody. My favorite day of the week. Saturday has always been my favorite day ever since I was a little girl. Today, I'm going to share my meditation with y'all. This is May 3rd. No man can serve two masters, or else he will hold to the one and despise the other. And that comes out of the book of Matthew, chapter 6, verse 24. You cannot love while hating, progress while oppressing. Come together in unity, build while tearing down, join while separating. Understand while not listening, give while withholding, create while destroying, overcome while in fear. It is simply impossible. People of color must make a choice. Either we accept what we believe others are doing to us or reject it and do something else. If we love each other as a foundation for our own progress, we do not have to worry about others hating us or our hating them back. Let that sink in. This is really profound. If we work with everyone for human good, giving what we can to create what we want, we will not be disturbed by what anyone attempts to keep from us. If we stand on the faith of our ability to survive, it does not matter who is out to destroy us. If we celebrate, support, and nurture ourselves, we do not need anyone else to do it for us. And it ends with, today I will feel one thing at a time. Ooh, this is a very impactful meditation, and it just reaches to the core of our being of how we cannot serve two masters. You cannot feel but one thing at a time. You can't love while hating. You cannot progress while oppressing. So we need to focus and concentrate on the faith and our ability that we have within us. And no matter what happens, nobody can destroy you. Because if we celebrate, support, and nurture ourselves, we will not need anyone else to do it for us. And who can do it better than you yourself? Oh, this was very good. It was a powerful meditation, a great message. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank y'all for coming to Harmony Lives. Check me out on Amazon.com. I write to inspire, motivate, and encourage. You can also go over on YouTube. Subscribe and follow me over there. And I really appreciate y'all coming to my channel, my page, on a regular basis. Thank y'all. Have a blessed Saturday and be safe.